Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to rotate the video on Zoom Workplace or Zoom Meeting on PC. Here I'm using Zoom on Windows. As you can see, my videos are rotated 90 degrees since I have my webcam by default is rotated. Now I want to rotate into the landscape. So what you have to do, you just click on this video and then click this video settings. You just click on that, and then as you can see here, a really tiny icon how to rotate your video. To be honest, I'm searching for this about 10 minutes, and for you, because I'm already showing you this method, maybe you just need 1 minute or less than that. So after that, you just close, and then that's it. Now my video already portrayed and it's really good. Okay, thank you guys. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.